Do my mama better. I'll press record it, Asleman. Dankie. Slay. Kina ntwana ya Mosotho. Ntwana ya Mosotho. Mara, abaqabi, yo. Sure, I've got these people wondering who could that be, you know. Could that be? Abaqabi. W.C.T.B, who could that be? Kintwana ya Mosotho who ba santse being a rapper, a trapper, a singer, sbale, vele mina ngithi any of the above. Cause I come from the bottom, like deep end. I had to wipe a lot of tears, man. I had to pretend my life wasn't easy. Never busy. All my haters and still never busy. Empa loud sirens abo khata. Esle usalete ngutlola khala ka bongata. Baste mo hlakwana ntwana tshechela kwana. Sutetse lentsa ka vele withat. Ubani ki a slayer banana ba re I keep swearing the figure cause they know I got the figures. But that's a cap. I ain't got the figures. Wait, that's a prediction cause I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission. Hey, Abaka. Yeah, I'm on a mission. I want all this money. I want all this cheddar. Do my mama better. I said, do my mama better. Slay. Yeah.